Hey everybody, and welcome to the virtual tour of Orlando Health Horizon West Hospital. My name is Jeremy James, and I can't wait to show you this amazing facility. Now, this is a virtual tour, which means you can enjoy it in the comfort and safety of your own home. And speaking of safety, we want to remind all of our viewers out there that we've shot this video using the COVID-19 safety protocols. And speaking of safety, standing a very safe 6 feet away from me is Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Brian Wetzel. Brian, tell us about this amazing facility.
Good morning, Jeremy. Thank you for being here this morning at the beautiful Orlando Health Horizon West Hospital facility. Out here at Horizon West on this campus, we have a full 80 acres with which to grow along with this community. We've got a 6-story facility that will provide all of the general hospital services that this community might expect from us. Directly adjacent to this new facility, we have our emergency department and medical office building.
All right, well, I think everybody's excited to see you in there. Why don't you show us around?
Absolutely, let's go inside.
This is gorgeous. Tell me a little bit about the thought process behind the interior design.
First and foremost, the greatest component of this new facility will be the great care that the team will provide to the patients who trust us when they arrive. The state-of-the-art technology is obviously something else that's very important to us in providing to this community and the patients who come to us. The aesthetics of this facility are really, I think, remarkable, though. We want to provide an environment that's comfortable and provides confidence in the care that we're going to provide to our patients. The art throughout the facility is very nature-based, so everywhere you look, you'll see reminders of the beautiful nature that surrounds us out here at Horizon West. Not only that, the architect team has done a fantastic job in providing natural light really throughout the facility, and we all know how well natural light makes us feel, and it's certainly important to the healing process as well.
It is gorgeous in here, but now let's go to where the action happens, the emergency room. 24/7, day or night, if you have a medical emergency, the team at Orlando Health Horizon West is here for you. We are here with Emergency Department Nursing Director, Shannon Vaughn. Shannon, tell us about this ER.
We opened the emergency room in 2018 with 24 beds. We have been in the 90th percentile for patient satisfaction since we opened, and we hope to continue that in the inpatient care. We provide our care with board-certified emergency physicians and adult and pediatric patients. The nursing team is certified in advanced cardiac life support, pediatric advanced cardiac life support, and trauma training.
Now let's hear from President and CEO David Strong, as well as Chief Operating Officer Dr. Jamel Hakim, and get their thoughts on this new facility. For the folks that are living out there in the community, what would be the advantage of going to Horizon West?
Sure. Well, you know, when you're sick, the last thing you want to do is travel, right? I mean, you'd like to get taken care of as close to home as possible. And what's even better with this site is it's brand new. You walk in, and hopefully, as people are seeing, it looks like a hotel. With great views. It's a place that's close to home that has great specialists as well as wonderful staff. You know, the staff that came there came from other Orlando Health, many of them came from other Orlando Health facilities, and so it really brought our culture there, which is neat. You know, if your physician lets you know that you may need surgery or you need some type of test or procedure, ask them if you can go to Horizon West.
So tell the folks at home about this program. There's an introduction of a thing called Ellie, and there's also My Chart, what it means for the patient, that we will go live with it on day one.
Yeah, it's coincidental that we were planning to open Horizon West for a couple of years, and about the same time we were planning to open the hospital, we were planning to start a new electronic health record for Orlando Health. And those two dates actually end on the same opening date of Horizon West. The My Chart is a patient portal, a view for patients and anybody who is a patient of Orlando Health in any way gets to see their electronic health record in real time as it populates.
We're here at the patient care level of the hospital with Nursing Operation Manager Amanda Bowden. How are you doing, Amanda?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So tell us about the patient care here at the hospital.
Absolutely. I can tell you for sure, hands down, that the care that's going to be provided here will be exceptional. And I know that because we hand-selected this team. We were looking for nurses and team members that I would want caring for my loved ones. You know, a lot of the people that we have hired, they live in this community and care about this community, so it's neighbors caring for neighbors.
I love that. It's a family.
Absolutely.
We're in one of the big, beautiful patient rooms with Elisa Slimmick. She's our patient care administrator. Elisa, tell us about these rooms.
Thank you, Jeremy. Welcome, everybody. As you can see, we're in our beautiful patient rooms. Every one of our rooms are private with a shower in the bathroom. We have state-of-the-art technology, and all of our rooms have the ability to become a critical care room at any point that we need them. In addition, my favorite part is that you'll be able to see the theme park fireworks.
Hey, we're here with Marsh. He's the president of the South Central region of Orlando Health. How you doing today, Mark?
Doing great, Jeremy. Thank you for asking.
Tell us a little bit about this hospital.
What I'm really most proud about is really not just the bricks and mortar, but it's the people.
Right.
And I think that's really what differentiates Orlando Health a lot is our team members, our people. I believe it really is a family. It's a cultural piece. Because you know, when you think about healthcare, so much is built on trust.
Right.
It's that confidence, right? But whether you walk into Horizon West, ORMC, Winnie Palmer, Arnold Palmer, any of our other community-based hospitals, when you walk in, we want to have that same feel. And I really believe you're going to see that with any of our 20,000 team members plus. You're going to have that same feel if you walk in Horizon West or if you walk in ORMC. So I'm really excited about it because if it's very contagious. You can see my passion.
Right.
My passion is because our team members, they are so dedicated.
Yeah.
They love what they do, and you know what? We're going to serve this community exceptionally well.
Hey, everybody, we are here with Invasive Cardiology Supervisor Eric McGinnis.
We do a full service line for cardiology, which involves invasive procedures for cardiology, as well as peripheral vascular, as well as interventional radiology. And you're right, with about this equipment, state of the art, the latest and greatest from the Philips X-ray, Azurion. So it's a generation 7. This is the Mac Daddy. Any soft tissue, heart, legs, arms, we do it all.
If you need a CT scan, Corey Boris is your man. Corey, tell the folks at home about the other diagnostic imaging services that are here at the facility.
Well, here at Horizon West, we offer a complete imaging services. We have everything from CT, which is where we're at right now. We also have diagnostic imaging. We offer ultrasound, MRI. We do fluoro cases, and we also have 2 nuke med cameras here at Horizon West.
Now, what would a virtual tour of a hospital be without virtually taking you into surgery? I'm here with Surgical Services Director Terry Collard.
So this is our surgical waiting area. You'll be greeted by a surgical concierge who will be here to assist you to the pre-op area, a comfortable waiting area for your family to wait while you're in your procedure. And then we proceed into the pre-op and recovery area. So this is our pre-op and recovery area. It's unique here at Horizon West in that it is all one unit of both before you go to surgery and you come back from surgery to the same unit, same team members. Okay. So this unit here, it's a big circle, can service all of our patients that come for whether you're coming for surgery, coming for an endoscopy or a bronchoscopy, or for a cath lab procedure. So we'll treat you right here in this area.
All right. So this is the operating room. This is the big show. This is where all the magic happens. Tell us about all the state-of-the-art technology that is in here.
Okay, so yes, this is the operating room. All of our operating rooms here at Horizon West look exactly like this, so we have the ability to do any cases in the rooms. Each room is identical. We'll have a Da Vinci robot. It's not in this room, but one of our rooms will be set up with the Da Vinci robot. They're in the room on a surgeon console operating the arms of the robot. So the surgeon is still completely in control of the surgery, doing the surgery, but by using robotic arms, a surgeon who normally has 2 arms now has 4 arms. They also have full articulation that their human hands don't have, so they can actually get at some areas that we used to be able to have to do open. We can now do minimally invasive. We also have the Mako robot that we haven't discussed, which is for orthopedics. So there's also a robot of a different nature, because there's no separate console. The surgeon stays at the field the entire time, but the robotic arm helps them to stay right within the area, so no extra bone is taken. They have precision, it's CT guided.
More precise
Very
than human
more
hands.
precise. Yes.
Robot, surgical robots. Mind blown. Orlando Health Horizon West is a community hospital with all your family needs. from the cafeteria to the chapel, even a gift shop for those last minute purchases. Which reminds me, it's my anniversary tonight. I'm gonna grab some flowers.